Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Nickelodeon app on your Apple TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming kids' shows and movies. Step 1. Turn on your Apple TV and ensure it is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 2. Navigate to the App Store on your Apple TV home screen. Step 3. Search for the Nickelodeon app by typing Nickelodeon or Nick in the search bar. Step 4. Select the Nickelodeon app from the search results and click Get or Download to install it on your Apple TV. Step 5. Once the app is installed, open it from your Apple TV home screen. Step 6. The Nickelodeon app will display an activation code on your TV screen along with instructions to visit nick.com/activate. Step 7. Using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and go to nick.com/activate. Step 8. Select your TV provider from the list of participating providers displayed on the website. Step 9. Log into your TV provider account using your username and password. Step 10. Enter the activation code shown on your Apple TV screen into the provided field on the website. Step 11. Click Activate or Submit to complete the linking process. Step 12. Return to your Apple TV and wait for the Nickelodeon app to refresh and display full access to content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.